What's up guys, today's video is on the top 7 best 2-quart saucepans in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Calphalon 1,876,967 Saucepan Aluminum Non-Stick Cookware. This saucepan is listed under Amazon's choice. This saucepan has a capacity of 2.5 quarts. If you want more capability, you may choose from a variety of sizes. The heating system is ensured by the use of heavy gauge aluminum. It's hard anodized for long-term use. It's simple to clean in the dishwasher. To improve performance and extend the life of the non-stick coating, there are 3 different layers. The handle is made of stainless steel, which is cool to the touch, and the entire cookware is well secured. Because there is a lid, evaporation is minimal, and you can easily create slow cooking meals like hot and sour chicken soup. It's designed specifically for preparing nutritious dishes. The low heat setting is for warming and simmering, which is ideal for sauce preparation. Grilling and frying are done on the moderate setting, whereas boiling is done on the high setting. Your item comes with a full lifetime guarantee. Before you start cooking, you must first warm the pan. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Kucinert Multiclad Pro stainless steel 2-quart saucepan with cover. It's time to get a spoonful of inspiration from the best French kitchens. The Kucinert MCP 1916N Multiclad Pro saucepan with cover is a 2-quart saucepan with a solid aluminum core constructed of 18/10 stainless steel. It also comes with a tight-fitting stainless steel cover that appears to be ideal for trapping heat, nutrients, and moisture. If you're curious about the bargain, it includes an improved cast toaster handle that won't become hot when heating or cooking. It's a flat handle, but it's not as unpleasant to grip. The bud may be washed in the dishwasher, baked at 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and broiler safe. Do not be concerned about the guarantee. The saucepan includes a limited lifetime guarantee, which means you may enjoy durability, structure, and ease of cleanup for quite a very long moment. It's a really strong and heavy pan that you can purchase as a present, and surely you may earn a fantastic selection. At number 5 on our list, we have the Quart 2-quart saucepan with glass lid. Quart 2-quart saucepan with glass lid is the choice if you don't want to compromise on quality and are willing to spend a little more money. They claim that if you buy a good goods once or buy cheap things every day, the price is the same. The brand new Quart 2-quart saucepan with glass lid is available at an unbeatable price. It's the industry's most dependable, preferred, and better saucepan, and it's considered a gold standard by most users and non-users alike. If you're looking for a long-term investment with a great saucepan, the Quart 2-quart saucepan with glass lid is a great choice. At number 4 on our list, we have the Farberware Cookware 50002 FW Classic 2QT saucepan. Farberware has modified its classic and traditional cookware layout to suit to modern cooking technologies. Farberware has accomplished this by the use of thicker aluminum, which draws heat, full cap foundations, which prevent cookware from leaving marks in your toaster, re-engineered counter rims, and the use of the best 18/10 stainless steel. Every Farberware product is infused with years of history. You're not just purchasing cookware. When you buy from them, you're getting a piece of history at a bargain price. If you use the Farberware Cookware 50002 FW Classic 2QT saucepan in your kitchen, you'll see how valuable it is. At number 3 on our list, We have the green Pan Lima 1QT and 2QT ceramic non-stick saucepan set. Globally, ceramic non-stick cookware is the rage, and Greenpan is one of the leading manufacturers offering the best ceramic cookware sets. It's a set of 2 strands of 1 quart and 2 quart saucepans. The cookware used in the production of healthy foods does not contain any dangerous chemicals or contaminants. Even if you unintentionally overheat the pan, the non-stick coating will not come off. The heat is evenly distributed across the pan, ensuring that the foods are cooked to perfection. PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium are all absent from the saucepan. The riveted handle is ergonomically intended to provide a secure grip. The dimensions of the product are 16.9 x 8.3 x 13.8 inches, and it weighs 2.47 ibs. At number 2 on our list, we have the Coocinert Home Steel Stainless Saucepan, 2QT. Looking for the best 2-quart saucepan? Coocinert Home Stainless Steel Cookware 2-quart saucepan with lid is quite user-friendly. What makes it a fantastic pan concerns its own layout provided that you need to take care of premium grade 1810 stainless steel mirror polished inside and out for a luminous appearance and easy wash. As for every man or chef, it's very important to see food. The kettle has a tempered glass lid. The handle is riveted for durability and strength. Using a Stay Cool silicone wrapping manager, you may feel comfortable when holding the pan. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Utopia Kitchen 2-quart non-stick saucepan. Going forward with our listing, we've got something that caters to a specific demographic. Yes, the Utopia Kitchen 2-quart non-stick saucepan caters to a sophisticated clientele with specific preferences. It meets customer expectations, as long as your expectations do not exceed a certain level, and delivers good value for money, but more importantly, it gives the consumer a style that may become your fashion statement. According to our research, the Utopia Kitchen 2-quart non-stick saucepan is a must-have for anybody looking for a combination of quality and cost-effectiveness. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.